Hey guys, tis the Pilot Rider here. Now I'm going to properly introduce my 2006 Yamaha FZ1. This is a 998cc motorcycle, 1000cc, and has 150 horsepower. Now that's at the crank. This is a 2006, so it has now done 145,000 kilometers, which is, I believe, near 90,000 miles in total. And it is still going strong. These motors are known to be pretty bulletproof. It's a 04 to 06 R1 motor, detuned for the road, so therefore saying they tune it for more mid-range torque, but it's more so just detuned R1 motor. Awesome bike, really comfortable. I've done heaps of touring on it. Obviously I can put a top box in it. I have a luggage bag on the back as well. Upright, so it's got handlebars rather than clip-ons here, fairly high risers. I would like to have them a little bit lower though. I do take this thing to the track as well. Notice here, I've ground the pegs down pretty well there. Same with the other side. Ground them down pretty well. I've got some rear sets actually coming for it, just so I can get lower. Me being short, 168 centimeters, I do have to hang off a wee bit to get my knee down. Otherwise, I'm just dragging everything in the sun. So hopefully those rear sets will help and I don't be dragging my boots so much either. But awesome bike, love it, it's really cool.